Hey everybody, I'm Brent Slava. This is Nick Donato. We're joining you from the Benzinga newsroom in downtown Detroit. Today we want to take a look at one of the top and most interesting takeover stories so far in 2017. That is Pandora, ticker P. A quick recap of some of the rumors that we've heard so far this year. So the New York Post this year started off, they reported early in January that a Sirius exec and also a Liberty Media exec, Greg Maffei, still may be interested in Pandora at the right price. That was a quote. Later we heard a CNBC report that said Pandora's advisors are looking to discuss with other companies before they discuss with a company like SiriusXM. We also heard on May 9th from CNBC that Pandora, the company themselves, said that they are confident that a deal will be announced within the next 30 days. This date is coming up here pretty soon. And then more recently, New York Post kind of rebuffed their original story, saying that Sirius is kind of in the lead for Pandora. We reached out to both companies. Neither company had a comment for us. And, I mentioned some other players in there. Nick, why don't you tell us what other companies might be involved in this story?
So May 9th, you mentioned that before.
Yeah.
KKR actually announced that they are investing $150 million in the Pandora convertible preferred stock.
Yep.
We're halfway through that 30-day mark.
Okay.
We're at the 2-week mark, so to say. One of the things to note is that KKR actually put one of the members of their team onto the Pandora board to help out with the strategic alternatives process.
Right.
And as you know, KKR is private equity. They're involved in buyouts all the time. So, obviously something to watch there. Another thing to note is Corvex's Keith Meister, Carl Icahn protege. He has also been pushing for a sale for quite a long time. I believe they own 8.8% as of the last filing that I saw. One of the things that that you obviously see here is that they're going to get a deal done. It seems inevitable at this point. It looks like Sirius is in the lead. Points in that direction right now for Pandora M&A.
Gotcha. So we know how the street has reacted. Shares of Pandora are down about 30% year to date so far in 2017. What about the analysts? What does the sell side think about Pandora and this deal?
Yeah, they're having a rough year of it so far. 20 to 30%. I mean, that's never good. Never a good thing. So we talked to Aegis Capital's Victor Anthony Monday, I believe, and one of the things that he said, at this level right here, he can see 20 to 30% premium. So you can make up this year's losses if you get in right now. That's what he's seeing. One of the things that he mentioned that he likes about the stock is, he's bullish due to the success of the on-demand launch, and he thinks that they can leverage their user base into an on-demand service.
Right.
So, those are some of the reasons that he's getting excited about Pandora along with the M&A prospects.
Great. So if you want to see all this info, tune into your Benzinga ProWire. You can get all of this stuff that Nick and I are talking about. Also, if you like our videos, go to the Benzinga TV YouTube channel, subscribe there. We'll be with you next time. Have a good one.